Hello and welcome back. Please like and subscribe to see more exciting content. The purpose of this example is to demonstrate how to use Python casting, which is the process of converting one data type into another. We will go over different types of casting: integer, float, and string conversions. Define a few variables with different types. Age is stored as a string. This represents user input, which is often in string format. Price is stored as a float. It is a decimal number, usually representing costs or prices. Convert age, which is a string, to an integer. We use the int function to convert the string 25 into the integer 25. This is helpful when we want to perform mathematical operations on the value, like adding or subtracting years. Convert price, which is a float, to an integer. The int function can also convert a float to an integer. It will truncate the decimal part. This is useful when we only care about whole numbers, such as when counting items or calculating total costs. Convert price underscore int, which is now an integer, back to a float using the float function. We can convert an integer back to a float. This is important when dealing with calculations that may require decimal points for precision. Convert age underscore int, which is an integer, back to a string. The str function is used to convert the integer back into a string. This might be needed if we want to display the value as text, like in a message to the user. Print the results to see the conversions. Each print statement shows how the variables change after casting. Explanation of each variable. Age, a string representing a person's age. Price, a float representing a price value. Age underscore int, an integer version of age, converted using int. Price underscore int, an integer version of price, converted using int, truncating the decimal. Price underscore float, a float version of price underscore int, converted back to a float. Age underscore str, a string version of age underscore int, converted using str. Now run our code. That's all for today, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.